Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to create Max account. So first of all, you need to open your web browser and search for max.com and then it will take you to the home page, and after coming to the home page you have to click on the login or sign in option and it will take you to the sign in menu. So after coming to the sign in menu, you can see that there is a option called sign up now. You have to click on that, and as you can see, there are multiple plan here, like bundles on Disney Hulu Max bundle with ads, and Disney Plus Hulu Max bundle with no ads, and that is 16.99 per month and 29.99 per month. And if you see the monthly option, basic with ads is 9.99 per month, 16.99 per month is standard, and premium is 20.99 per month. And if you select a yearly plan, you will just save 16% of the amount you will be giving. So after selecting a bundle, you have to click on continue and give your email address here. And after your giving your email address, it will want some information from you, like your confirm email address, and you just confirm your email address here and use a password. And after that you have to give your first name and last name here, and after that you have to click on create an account option, and after that it will take you to a payment option, so where you have to give your payment information like credit card or debit card, and you just have to purchase a plan, and that's it. That's how you sign up or get an create an Max account. So see you on the next video.